Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make circle juice using an easy method. First, select a perfectly round fruit, like an orange or a grapefruit, ensuring it has a smooth, unblemished surface. You'll also need about 1 cup of filtered water and 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, such as honey or agave nectar. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for delicious results in just a few minutes. Next, carefully wash your round fruit under cool running water to remove any surface impurities. Then, using a sharp knife, peel the fruit completely, discarding the rind. Cut the peeled fruit into 8 to 10 small, uniform segments. Transfer these segments into a high-speed blender, adding the 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of sweetener. This step ensures all ingredients are ready for a smooth blend. Now, secure the lid on your blender and process the mixture on high speed for approximately 60 seconds. You want to achieve a perfectly smooth, uniform liquid, free from any noticeable fruit pulp or chunks. Once blended, carefully pour the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a double layer of cheesecloth into a clean pitcher. This step removes any remaining solids, ensuring a clear, refreshing circle juice. Finally, for the best taste experience, chill your freshly prepared circle juice in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and ensures a wonderfully cool beverage. When ready to serve, pour the chilled juice over a few ice cubes in a tall glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish your drink with a thin, round slice of the fruit you used. Enjoy your homemade, easy circle juice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.